Fellow Kenyans, I hope you have all celebrated Christmas and shared the joys of the festive season with your families and friends. We have now put closure to the year 2023. On behalf of my family, to wish you God's grace and blessings for a successful 2024. Let us continue to put smiles on the faces of our loved ones and remember the less fortunate in our community who need our love and compassion. The end of a season is a moment for us to reflect on the challenges we have gone through together and look ahead at the opportunities we have to improve our livelihoods. Our government has laid a firm foundation for sustainable economic and social transformation. We should take advantage of the emerging opportunities to build a more inclusive and prosperous Kenya. Let us turn the tide. Now that we are all re-energized, may I wish you a prosperous 2024. God bless you all.